November 4, Charlie Papa Radio.
November 8, November Kilo, running 100 milliwatts.
All right, I heard of November 8, November Kilo something.
Roger, QSL, November 8, November Kilo, and I'm running 100 milliwatts in the state of Michigan. Over.
All right, I hear November 8, November Kilo. I think it's about time you're running 1 watt or something like that. Is that QRP?
Yes, sir. QRP running 100 milliwatts, 1/10 of a watt. QSL, 100 milliwatts. Over.
Roger that. I got you 35. Thank you for calling, okay?
QSL, thank you. Sorry, I hit my tuning knob. You're 5x9. You're 59 in the state of Michigan. Over.
All right, thank you for Michigan. Thank you so much. This is November 4 Charlie Papa Radio with United Sugar 8356.
And there you go. Oh, that sounded like an a-hole. There you go, guys. That's better. 100 milliwatts. First call, 15 meters. Michigan to Florida, man. And I got all discombobulated. I tell you guys, I'm a novice for life. If I'm not slapping my paddles around, I whacked my tuning knob and lost the guy. And given that it's a Yaesu, I couldn't get him back on. I couldn't get back on frequency. I kept bobbling back and forth. With a Yaesu, if that's your desired frequency, shoot for 355.1 or 354.9. If you make one of those two your target, you'll end up on 55 even every time. Yaesu tuning, right. Fire the engineers. I'm thrilled, man. I can't. You probably hear it in my voice. I can't tell you, man. Just how happy that makes me. There he is, N4 CPR. And now I can't log him. I can't log him because I don't know what time I worked him. Because my first instinct is to grab the damn phone. Oh boy. I guess I can look at the timestamp, the metadata on this video because I worked him. Right. I'll talk to you. I can't even think straight, man. I've got to get outside and do some yard work. I'll talk to you later, guys. Take it easy. 73.